made a hole in my boat. Here we are, if I can manage not to fall off the boat. These panels do go on remarkably easily. They are well and truly stuck down instantly. Really, really impressive. You saw the video, we spaced them out with a block of wood. I think it was 17 centimetres off of here, just how it worked to give us the gaps at the other end. Yep. This one, making 2 series pairs, then run in parallel, and then those two are together in parallel, not series. The voltage is just over what could be tolerated by the inverter, the charger. And here we are, a bit of a hodgepodge of boxes, but they, as long as we don't trip over them, they should be pretty good there, leaving us a bit of space at the front. We do have a status screen, but obviously we're not drawing anything in at all. There's no need. The generator will effectively be, so if that's going to hear a click in a second. There you go. Now that will be the method of turning on the solar dump. And that's clicked back off. That will use the state of charge on AC2 to give me an automatic solar dump when I guess like now, if we're at that state of charge where everything's full, then there's no reason to have the immersion turned on there and be drawing down really hard from the batteries. We might as well run off of there.
Right, just that way ever so slightly, Andrew. There. Oh, too much. I mean, literally, I meant a mil. More that way. Oh, that's it.
Okay.